Hello! Some of you guys are calling me Russian gangster, but you're not saying I'm true Russian gangster because I'm not wearing Adidas. Well, guess what? Today, I'm the real Russian gangster. So a couple of weeks ago, I dunked the OnePlus 6T in water, and a lot of people thought the phone would be broken 2 or 2.5 weeks later. Well, I'm here to report today that the phone is working perfectly. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this device. I'm gonna go through each and every little thing to show you that it survived 6.5 minutes underwater. So the first test, front-facing camera test, boom, no clouds. We're gonna do a reverse camera test, boom, no clouds. Now we're gonna do a little bit of a speaker test. So there you have it, the speakers work. Now it's time for the fingerprint sensor. Boom, we're in there, things are looking great. Touch functionality is all present on the device. No matter if I swipe up or swipe down or swipe to the right, everything is working perfectly. So basically there's no damage. Now, needless to say, 3 months down the road, something might happen because that's what water does, it seeps into your device. But as of today, 2.5 weeks later, the phone is exactly how it was before I dunked it in water. Enough about the water resistance test, it passed, we know that. Now let's unbox the Purple Thunder, the brand new color from OnePlus. Come on, what's going on here? Holy smokes. Jesus, Purple Thunder doesn't want to come out. Boom! There we go. The box is here. I can already see those purple edges peeking through. They're looking good. I'm gonna put the phone to the side. Oh my God. That is actually really, really nice. Okay, you get that typical little case that comes in top of the box. This is the clear case. This is the case you use until you buy a better case, but some people like to use this as their main case, and if that's your steez, then I'm totally cool with that. Inside here you have your typical paperwork, but we got more stickers, and you guys know that I love my stickers. Do one of these right there, and then the next one we're gonna do right here. You have your OnePlus 6 charging cable. This is used to charge the device, and of course OnePlus's fast charge, no longer called dash charging due to Amazon copyrights. And last up but not least, you have that dongle in the box so you can connect those wired headphones. Now, I need a moment of silence. Oh, what a beautiful sound. I gotta say, I'm really digging the Purple Thunder. I mean, just imagine, you're sitting at the bar, you're talking on your phone, you're talking to your best bud Jim. A hot girl or guy walks up to you and they're like, wow, that's a beautiful phone. You give him a look and you say, that, my friend, is Purple Thunder. Boom, you got their number. The next thing you know, you're going on 2 more dates and you're married. Well, I love the color. Here's a little comparison against the midnight black color. It has this nice finish. Like, depending on the angle you look at it, sometimes when it's like to the left, it looks a little bit more black. But if you have it in the middle, you have this nice 2-tone finish. And as you can see here, it has this little silhouette of an S encroaching through the middle of the device. Now, this was supposed to be only available in China, but guess what, guys? It's coming here to North America as well. So if you want to cop your hands on it, you can do that by ordering on the OnePlus site. So I'm not going to go through the entire device. I've already unboxed the Midnight Black, which I'm not going to go through again. They also have Mirror Black if you like that shiny finish, but I'll place links to all these devices in the description down below. But I do have one more thing here to show you guys. This is the brand new bag. This is the Explorer. This is the OnePlus Explorer backpack. The previous bags were a little bit smaller. This one, instead of like your typical zipper that you open up to get into, this one kind of has like a satchel, and there's like a magnetic lock that clips in place to keep things closed. You have water resistance in the bottom, so you can basically keep certain items waterproof in case it's a rainy day. And you have tons, and I mean absolutely tons of space inside of here to keep all of your stuff. So you can fit a 15-inch notebook, you have linings to put other stuff in, and then once you open up that, you have a lot more pockets as well. So that pretty much wraps everything up. This phone passed the water resistance test. You have a brand new Purple Thunder color. We got a brand new bag. If you liked everything you see, I'll place links in the description down below. If you got any problems, hit me up on Discord. I'll talk to you about it. I'm here for you. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Purple Thunder.